Hi everyone, my name is Sadie Thomas and I'm a former student of Midland Public Schools. I am currently in my third year at Michigan State University and I recently just took on a summer internship position with the Breaking Bread Village, which I could not be more thrilled about. The Breaking Bread Village is committed to creating transformative spaces for authentic dialogue and meaningful connection. Right now, we're promoting two events happening on the same day, Share a Meal Day and our 5th birthday. To help promote May 12th, we are asking community members to record a short video answering two important questions. 1, why do you believe it is important to share space? And 2, how do you believe sharing space impacts us as a community? My ask of you at this point is to consider your participation and keep these questions in the back of your mind. Have a great day.